Okay, so welcome back again. So we came across this texture generator by Artimatic. Now they don't only have the texture generator, they also have the other application here as well. For example, if you click the link below and landing on their website here, you can see the Artimatic 3D solutions. Here they have the Skinner. A Skinner is an automated 3D model weight painting for Maya. So at this time it's only free, so all you have to do is simply come here, sign up from here, and you can be able to download. So once you click download, it gets you to choose your operating system, the Maya version, and then you can download from here the key and the prefix and the API, so you can generate from here. So let's go back again. They also have the transformer. What it does is a 3D model file converter. So here you can convert a GLTF file to FBX, or FBX to GLTF file, or FBX to GLB file, simply by dragging or click your file up here, and you can convert that for you. And here is the texture generator. It is called Genie. So once you click here, you can see there is no place to type in your text prompt, but this is the presets that are available here, where you can click on these presets to generate the texture. So they have the flower presets here, the water, the concrete, the pear, the skin, the grass, the brick, cloud, and wood and rock. And they also have the fallen leaves here and the pumpkin skin. Now it's very important, you need to sign up so you can be able to generate this. So make sure to sign up with them. Once you select one, for example, let's select the rock here. You can see it's generating, starting loading and generating different variations of rock. So you can see this different variation of rocks here. So which one that best fits you, you can download. So you can either like it, or you can simply just download from here. So here when you download, again you only download with 512 and 512. So width and height is 512. So simply click whatever that you want to download from here. You can download into the folder. But again, with the power of AI, you can upscale this image up to higher resolution. So here are two of my best image upscaler. The first one is Zyro. They not only have this image upscaler, they also have some other products here like image upscaler, image resizer, and remove background. All these are free to use. It's unlimited. They also another of my favorite image upscaler is by PicWish, which you upload your image and upscale here. So let's try upload one of the images that we just downloaded, which is the rock one. So let's just bring this one in, simply drop in your image here. There's no need to sign up or anything like that. If you want to, you can sign up. It's the same with Zyro as well. So you simply just drop in your image here, and it's going to generate that. So here you can just click here to download your image. Okay, so I think this is done. So you can see the left hand side is the before image, and the right side is the upscale image. So you can see here. So simply download. If you want to go pro, you can subscribe. Okay, so you can generate as many as you want to by selecting different presets here. Let's select the per here. So once you click on that, it's gonna generate different fur here for you, or you can generate new ones again. So if you want to subscribe, make sure to click on the any of this legal and terms conditions here, and then you can see more here. Once you click more, you can see here it says support Artimatic. So once you click this, you can now subscribe to buy for example Genie, and from here it's unlimited texture for only $10 per month. Okay, so there you go, great place that you can generate texture and use the power of AI to upscale it up to higher definition. See you back again in another video.